Have you overlooked FL Studio's 3XOSC because of its simplicity? Don't let its minimal design fool you. This three-oscillator subtractive synth has been a staple for over 2 decades, delivering raw, digital sounds that are both versatile and iconic. Here's why 3XOSC deserves a place in your production workflow. 3XOSC features 3 oscillators with 7 waveform options, including sine, square, and saw, plus custom sample loading for hybrid sound design. Its lightweight CPU usage makes it perfect for crafting anything from deep sub-basses to shimmering leads, even in large projects. Detuning and phase inversion options add dynamic stereo imaging and rich chorusing effects. A standout feature is its aliased oscillators, which embrace their gritty, lo-fi character. You can mitigate harshness with low-pass filters or enable HQ mode for cleaner renders without losing its signature edge. Experiment with amplitude modulation for metallic tones or detune saw waves for lush supersaws. For nostalgic 8-bit arpeggios, combine square waves with the arpeggiator. Whether you're after polished sounds or retro grit, 3XOSC offers endless creative potential. Ready to explore its potential? Comment FL Studio below, and we'll send you resources to master this classic synth.